Hello. Today I will show you how to assign vehicles to drivers and drivers to vehicles, which is especially useful for companies that are not using the mobile app. So first of all, let's go to the drivers folder. And here let's create our first driver. We have already a few drivers created, but when you press the add button, a form will come up and you need to add the information about your driver. So let's say our driver is John. The name is test. Primary email is test@movcar.app. The secondary email is not compulsory. Primary phone, you can add a phone number for our driver. You can add a personal ID number. You can add a driver's license number. And you can also set the expiration date of his driver license. You can also add the department where driver John is working. You can add a lot more information, which is not compulsory to be added. Once this information is saved, you can find John. This is John. This is the driver who we just added to the list. Now, if we click on his name, we can enter in and see the details. In order to edit this part, you simply press the edit button. And here you have different folders and sections that you can also add documents. For example, if you have a labor contract or any other documents that you wish to keep track of, for example, a medical checkup, let's add a number of the medical checkup. This is valid from 1st of January. And let's say it has an expiration date end of February. You simply add the expiration date and you press save. In this moment, we have added the medical checkup as a document to our driver. And we also know that the expiration date is approaching next month. In the same way as we added the documents, we can also add driver's permissions, and we can also add vehicles that are assigned to our drivers. Let's assign a vehicle to our driver. So the driver is already pre-selected. Now we have to choose the vehicle. We will choose from when. Let's say this is today, and we are attaching this driver. You can also add any attachments to this. In this moment, the driver is attached to the vehicle in our system. This means that you have a place where you can track the date and time of the assignation of the driver to this vehicle. Once you want to deassign this driver from the vehicle, you simply re-enter into this section and you press assign until. And for example, the assign until is later today, and you press save. So now you know that the vehicle will be deassigned from the driver later today, and you already have this in your waiting list and in the system. This exercise here has no relation to the access or no access via the mobile app. The mobile app is managed through drivers app connection codes. This is a separate topic and also a separate video. Thank you for watching.